I'm Abraham Sandeep Samuel from Med City, Kottayam. Today, I'll take a brief lesson about how to read the dictionary, a problem that students encounter. Dictionary, the word suggests diction and ARY, dictionary. What is diction? Diction is the proper use of words in speech and writing. And array is related to diction. That is how it is. Dictionary comes together as dictionary. So from the definition itself, we understand that dictionary is a book that gives you the meaning of the word, the spelling of the word, the pronunciation of the word, the collocation. I would deal with that later, and many other allied phrasal verbs, idioms, and so on. Okay, now, as an example on how to read the dictionary, I take a very simple word, OF, which is mispronounced many times as off. It is not off. As per the dictionary, it is a and v, ob. So it should be, when put in a sentence, it should be a friend of mine, not a friend of mine. So that is the first thing we check. We check the pronunciation. And the next thing is, how could it be used? What is the grammatical fitting of the word in a sentence? It's a preposition. And next comes the meaning, which says belonging to somebody, relating to somebody. And then the example, as a friend of mine, the love of a mother for her child, the role of a teacher. Can you throw out that old bike of Tommy's, the painting of Monet? So that is how it comes, this sequence. First the word, you check the spelling, then you have the pronunciation, then you have the grammatical fitting of the word in a sentence, then the meaning. And then we have a couple of meanings for the word OF in the dictionary that I'm referring to. It's got about 13 meanings. The second one is belong to something, being a part of something, as a part of given in the form of an example, the lid of the box. Then the third meaning is coming from a particular background or living in a place, a woman of Italian descent. Again, that is what the example is given. The fourth one is concerning or showing somebody, a story of passion. The fifth meaning of this word is used to say what something is, consists of, or contains. The city of Dublin. Sixth is used with measurements and expressions of time and age, etc. A kilo of potatoes, an increase of 2%. Seventh is used to show something or somebody belongs to a group. Some of my friends, an example. Number 8 is used to show the position of something or somebody in space or time. That is just north of Detroit. Number 9 is used after nouns formed from verbs. The noun after of can be either the object or the subject. Like for example, criticism of the police. They are criticized. That is what in bracket. Number 10 is used after some verbs before something. He was cleared of all blame. The 11th is used after some adjectives before mentioning something or somebody. To be proud of something. Kind of, you to offer. The 13th one is used when one noun describes the second one. What's that idiot of a boy? So these are the 13 meanings that we have. We could use the word OF as. Then we have an idiom, which of all. You're a friend of all that I appreciate. That's an idiom. So we have an idiom in this case and 13 meanings. But let's take the word OFF. That is pronounced as off. And that could be used as an adverb, preposition, adjective, noun, verb. It could be used in 5 ways, in 5 placings of five placements in a sentence. So we have the adverb meaning to it given, and the adverb is used in 7-8 ways. We have an idiom to it, not idiom 1, about 3 idioms to it below it. And then then we have the preposition, the preposition of the word of, how it could be used as a preposition. And then we have phrasal verbs to it, take something of somebody. Again, we have 7 meanings of the preposition part of it. Then comes the adjective with about 3 meanings. The noun is just 1. And then we have off used as an adjective in many ways, like offbeat, off Broadway, off center, off color, off day, off duty. So that is how it is. So when we look at all these areas of the word is complete. I do say, when you read a dictionary, please look into the word, the spelling, the pronunciation, the grammatical use of it, then the meaning, example, idioms, phrasal verbs, and other ways of using the same word. And there your word is completely understood by you. If you leave out one, you're out. Alright, we've come to the end of a little lesson, a brief lesson on how to read the dictionary. There's just 2 words that I gave you here. I suggest maybe take 10 words a day, check it out. You know, that's how you could build your vocabulary. And maybe you could use words, simple words, in different situations. And you could turn heads. You could maybe turn eyes. People look at you, say, wow, this person is well read. Thank you.